What is going on out there, everyone? Now calm down, calm down. Whoa, before you run to the comments, hear me out. I wanted to have some fun and do something different. I'm feeling really frothy today, so let's have a debate. And I honestly want to see all sides of the argument, so be prepared to bring it. Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will have an epic debate. So we will cover the ground rules for this debate. I'll lay out my case, and then we will debate in the comments section until my fingers hurt too much or you guys beat me into submission. If you're gonna have fun with this with me, remember to destroy the like button before destroying me to help me recover from my wounds. And yes, I think you guys are gonna bloody me a bit. And if you are new to the channel and wondering what the heck is going on, please consider subscribing anyways, if for no other reason than to have fun and learn about investing in stocks. But probably not much learning in this video, but still subscribe so you can learn in the next one. So let's put down some ground rules here. You have to hit the like button, as that is the entry fee, and hey, it's free to do, so it's basically like a free entry into the debate. Lay out your points logically, using facts as much as possible, and no making up statistics or anything else like that. Spirited debate is okay and encouraged, but no attacking anyone personally. We don't need that garbage in here at all. If you take it too far and cannot be respectful to others, I will ban you completely and permanently from the channel. I do take that stuff serious and have banned people before, so keep it clean, people. Do not cheat and jump into the comments section before I make my case. It's too easy to tell when someone doesn't watch the video and comments. Part of debate is hearing the other side, so no cheaters in here. And the most important rule of all, have fun. Do not take this too serious and run to the comments saying,
I'm gonna unsub, you suck, you hate Tesla.
I may suck, but I don't hate Tesla at all. I love it, and it's for fun, people. So calm down and let's have some fun. So here is my position on this. Tesla is a car company for now. And here are the 3 points for why I think that, so you have a basis to work off of. And you know where to bring the debate. I'll start with what I feel is my least strong point to my strongest point. The first point, the general public perception. Now ask anyone who is not a huge Tesla fan, what is Tesla? What kind of company are they? And without a doubt, the answer you will get most of the time is that it's a car company. Look, I can call my mom right now and she's gonna say, it's a car company. I can talk to my neighbor. He's going to say it's a car company. Most of my co-workers outside of the couple of huge Tesla fans think it's just a car company. Now the second point is the investor perspective. How is Tesla judged by professional investors? It is ranked as a car company and against the likes of Ford and GM, not a bunch of other energy companies or other leaders in the energy business. Now I'm not talking about the article stating that Tesla is more than a car company or is not a car company. I'm talking about doing actual research and seeing what investors are seeing and not a news article. What sector do professional investors put Tesla in? And here it is right here. All I did was pull up Tesla stock, clicked on the sector chart, and what do you know? It pulled up sector, auto, and truck manufacturer. And just to verify, I scrolled down and here is the chart. And as you can see, it is all car manufacturers. And here is another one. The industry is listed as automotive. And I found this time and time again. It's not like I cherry picked these, and I actually stopped looking because it was just boring reading the same thing over and over again. And please don't find the one site that listed as something else and say it counters the 25 others that say it's automotive. I'll take 25-1 as a victory for my stance. And the third and final point, Tesla's numbers actually prove it. Now before we go down that route, I think we can all agree GM is a car company, correct? I don't think there is any debating that at all. If it's not, please tell me what they are. So when I pull GM's actual financials, they derive approximately 91% of all their revenue from the automotive side of the house. The other 9% comes from other businesses, much like Tesla, who also has other businesses aside from the cars. So I think you may actually have me there. There is no way Tesla derives more revenue from cars than GM, one of the biggest car companies in the world. Oh, wait, what is this? Hold on. The data shows Tesla derives 94% of their revenue from the automotive segment? What? So Tesla does derive more revenue from autos than GM. So you cannot call GM a car company, but not Tesla, because the data proves the exact opposite. It's like Papa John's opening up a car lot in Chicago and then saying they're not a pizza chain anymore. And yes, I'm trolling a bit now. I'll stop. Now it's your turn to make your case down in the comments after hitting the like button, of course, because that's the rules, you gotta do that. And if you're new, this is just something fun and different that we are doing, and we like to have fun on this channel, so consider subscribing if you like to have fun. And check out my Instagram if you want to see me fail epically, because I really suck at it for whatever reason. And here's a couple of videos if you want to see more of my content and see how my channel, normally works. Thanks.